Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Diablo 4 lot of hit rate game controller or gamepad not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, first you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, check the game whether controller is working or not. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, now right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Well, next method is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and from here you can remove the controller. For that, click on three dot icon and then click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, go to the settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here, and after that check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not on the game. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows, and after that launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. So if there is any update available, you will be available here. So you simply have to click on it, and after updating the game, launch the game and then check whether controller is working or not. Next method is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or you can go through the link I have already provided in the description. Simply copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, from here you have to click on the download option. So this will download DS4 Windows tool. After that, install it, and after that connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to enter big picture mode. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, and here you can see enter big picture mode. You simply have to click on it, and after you enter big picture mode, try to play the game and then exit big picture mode. After that, try to launch the game and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So using these methods, you can easily fix Diablo 4 lot of hit rate game controller not working or gamepad not working issue. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.